أهلا بيكم يا جماعة في حلقة النهاردة. الحلقة دسمة وهنتكلم عن TH في اللغة الإنجليزية.
ما تنساش تلايك وتتابعنا وفعل زر الجرس عشان ما تفوتش أي حلقة من البرنامج المجاني بتاعنا.
وياريت تكتب لنا في التعليقات عن أفكار للحلقات أو أنت محتاج تتعلم إيه في الإنجليزي. وخليكم فاكرين الحلقات بالكامل مجانا، وكمان الكورس اللي هنعمله قريب للمبتدئين هيكون مجانا ومتوفر على اليوتيوب وكل المنصات. ما تنسوش تشتركوا وتفعلوا الجرس.
Welcome back, everyone, the podcast where we fix your English, one awkward sound at a time. I'm Sam.
And Amra Gama, and today Sam and I are tackling the final boss of English pronunciation for every Arab from the Atlantic to the Arabian Gulf.
Let me guess, the sound that makes people say, I sink, but it sounds like I sink?
Exactly, the dreaded TH. In Egypt, we have a very special relationship with this sound. Usually, we just pretend it doesn't exist and replace it with an S, a Z, or a T.
I've noticed, but honestly, Amr, the TH is weird even for native speakers. It involves sticking your tongue out at people. It's basically rude.
It feels like I'm trying to whistle through a sandwich. But today, we're going to break it down so our listeners stop telling people they are dirty, 30, when they mean they are thirsty.
Okay, let's get technical for a second. There isn't just one TH, there are two. We call them voiced and voiceless.
Right. In Arabic terms, we actually have these sounds in the modern standard Arabic, fusha, but we've forgotten how to use them in daily life. The voiceless TH.
This is the breath sound. Think, think, 3.
Most Arabs turn this into an S, I sink, or a T, I tink.
This one has a vibration. The, this, mother.
And we turn this into a Z, zabuk, or da book. Sam, why does the English language do this to us?
Why two? Because we love chaos, Amr. But think of it this way. The voiceless one is just air. The voiced one is air plus a buzzing motor in your throat.
Let's talk about why Egyptians specifically struggle. In Cairo, if I say thalatha, 3, in Fusha, I sound like a news anchor. In the street, we say talata. We love the letter T.
So when you see Thursday, your brain automatically goes to Thursday.
Exactly. It's a lazy tongue issue. To do a TH correctly, your tongue has to travel a long way to get between your teeth. For a T or S, the tongue stays safely inside the house.
Safely inside the house. I love that. Listeners, here's the secret. The tongue sandwich. Stick the tip of your tongue out just a little bit. Rest your top teeth on it. Blow air. If you look like a lizard, you're doing it right.
Z, no, wait. F, this, that, these, those. I feel like I'm spitting on my microphone, Sam.
If you aren't slightly damp, you aren't practicing. So let's play a game. I'll say two words that sound identical except for the TH. Amr, you try to pronounce them perfectly.
I was born ready. Let's go.
Way.
طريق غلط.
Sink.
غريق.
Think.
يفكر.
3.
Tree? 3. Wow, my tongue is getting a workout. It's like a gym session for my mouth.
You nailed it. The key for our listeners is to over-exaggerate. In the beginning, stick that tongue out way too far. Eventually, it will find its natural home.
All right, that's our episode for today. My tongue is tired and I need a glass of water.
Before we go, here's your homework. Go to a mirror and say, "The thirsty thief thought it was Thursday." If you can do that 3 times without saying Thursday, you win.
And for my Egyptian friends, please stop saying I sink unless you're actually underwater. It's I think. Thanks for listening to English Bil Arabi Podcast. We'll catch you next episode.